Microsoft 365 Business Basic versus Standard. Choosing the right Microsoft 365 plan can transform how you manage business productivity without overspending or missing key features. Both Basic and Standard offer essential tools but differ in capabilities and access. Microsoft 365 Business Basic and Standard are subscription plans designed for businesses. The core difference lies in application access and services. Basic focuses on web and mobile apps with cloud services, while Standard adds full desktop Office apps and advanced collaboration features. Microsoft 365 Business Basic is a cloud-first subscription providing essential productivity tools. It includes web and mobile versions of Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with business email through Exchange and cloud storage with OneDrive. The plan supports Microsoft Teams for communication and collaboration entirely online. Because it relies on web and mobile apps, it requires a stable internet connection for optimal use. This plan is ideal for small businesses or remote teams needing access to Microsoft's core services without investing in desktop software licenses. Strengths include affordability and seamless cloud integration, making it easy to manage email, files, and meetings from anywhere. However, it lacks the full desktop versions of Office apps, which limits offline functionality and advanced features. Users who mainly work on the go or with lightweight editing needs will benefit most from Business Basic, especially if budget constraints are a priority. Microsoft 365 Business Standard builds on the basic plan by including full desktop versions of Office apps like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access for PC users. This means users can work offline with full feature sets, enhancing productivity for more demanding tasks. Alongside the web and mobile apps, Standard also offers business-class email hosting with a 50 GB mailbox, OneDrive cloud storage, and Microsoft Teams for meetings and collaboration. The plan supports advanced tools like SharePoint and Microsoft Bookings, improving team coordination and client management. Its strengths lie in combining cloud flexibility with powerful desktop applications, making it suitable for businesses that need robust software for document creation, data analysis, and communication. The main limitation is a higher cost compared to Basic, which may not be necessary for businesses with simpler needs. Ideal users are growing businesses or professionals who require the full Microsoft Office experience across devices with offline access and advanced collaboration tools. Comparing Microsoft 365 Business Basic and Standard highlights clear trade-offs. Basic is cost-effective and cloud-centric, perfect for teams prioritizing online collaboration and lightweight document editing without desktop apps. It suits startups or businesses with mobile workforces who rely on web access. On the other hand, Standard offers full desktop Office applications, enabling offline work and advanced features unavailable in Basic. This makes it ideal for businesses with intensive document workflows, data management, or client-facing operations needing professional tools like Microsoft Bookings. While Standard costs more, it delivers greater flexibility and productivity for users who require desktop apps alongside cloud services. Choosing between them depends on your team's work style, budget, and software needs. If offline access and comprehensive Office tools are essential, Standard is the better choice. For primarily cloud-based work with basic editing, Basic covers all essentials at a lower price. Microsoft 365 Business Basic is best for small teams focused on cloud, collaboration, and cost savings with no need for full desktop Office applications. Microsoft 365 Business Standard is recommended for businesses requiring full desktop Office apps, offline access, and advanced collaboration tools. It balances powerful productivity features with cloud flexibility, making it the ideal choice for growing companies aiming for professional workflows and seamless teamwork.